if you are a new care provider, new parent of a baby, there's going to come a time where you're going to have a fussy baby who's just unreasonably unreasonable. You fed them, their diaper is clean and dry, and for whatever reason, they're just fussy and having a hard time getting to sleep. What are the tried and true tricks and tips that you need to know to get them to calm are coming your way next. Developed by Dr. Harvey Karp, pediatrician, and approved by this pediatrician and dad of 3 are the 5 S's. Hank is behaving on cue. I'm going to start by putting him on his side. Again, sometimes your face is just really overstimulating for themselves. Giving them a side lying, helping them look away, supporting their head, and then adding a sway. So he's side lying, he's swaying. Sometimes I'll put them all the way on their tummy, wrapping their arms in, helping them give themselves their own hug. That's a good start. But then oftentimes they need that full support of a swaddle. Yeah, so not enough. So you can check out our YouTube video all about how to swaddle a baby. Adding in some shushes, okay, so getting him all nicely wrapped up to create kind of that nice warm hug, that feeling of, hey, he's back in that uterus. He was just in mom's tummy for 9 months. The babies love that nice warm hug and squeeze of the swaddle. Okay, so he's swaddled. We're swaying, we're shushing, we're side-lying. Sometimes that's all it takes, but sometimes it takes a little more. And so then we add the final S, suck, the non-nutritive sucking on a pacifier. Again, my baby's already fed. He's got a clean, dry diaper. Letting him gently take the pacifier. This is releasing endorphins that are calming to baby. I'm speaking softly. I'm swaying. I'm shushing, letting him calm down, getting ready for sleep. You know, things I will say, there are times where all these tricks may not work for you. A crying baby is an alive baby. It is okay if you're feeling overwhelmed. Set your crying baby down someplace safe in their crib, someplace that they are going to be okay to cry for 5 minutes so that you can walk away and reset. Come back, love your baby all over, start your 5 S's again. Again, we swaddled, we swayed, we're side-lying, we're shushing, and then that non-nutritive suck. Hopefully these are tips and tricks that can help you. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel. We've got lots of newborn care content coming your way. We're doctors.
But not your doctors.
Anything we've said in this video is for education or entertainment purposes only.
It is not medical advice.
Any specific medical questions you have should be directed to your provider.